Did you know that ravens act as informants for wolves? Whenever a raven spots prey, it either calls out loudly or goes to the wolf to inform it about the location of the prey. This helps the wolf reach the location and catch the prey. Afterward, the wolf feasts first and the raven eats the leftover meat. In this way, the friendship between wolves and raven has been continuing for centuries. And if you're interested in such amazing wildlife facts, then stay connected with us.